If sin x is equal to 3 by 5 cos y is equal to minus 12 by 13, where x and y both lies in the second quadrant, find the value of sin x plus y. We know that sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x is equal to 1 minus 9 by 25 equal to 16 by 25. Therefore, cos x is equal to plus or minus 4 by 5, since x lies in the second quadrant. Cos x is a negative, hence cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Now sin square y is equal to 1 minus cos square y is equal to 1 minus 144 by 169 is equal to 25 by 169. Therefore, sin y is equal to plus or minus 5 by 13, since y lies in the second quadrant, hence sin y is positive. Therefore, sin y is equal to 5 by 13. Substitution the value of sin x, sin y, cos x and cos y in 1, we get sin x plus y is equal to 3 by 5 into minus 12 by 13 plus minus 4 by 5 into 5 by 13 equal minus 36 by 65 minus 20 by 65 is equal minus 56 by 65.